device, and here you get the logo on the screen. Until and unless you touch the screen, you will move to the next section. So when you touch the same, you move to the next section where you are asked for the password. Password by default is 6 times 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And you can also modify the same and provide the same to those attendant or those doctors who you authorize to use the device. So like if you put some password, you provide that password to him and they will put that password and can only then use the device. So this is password protected. I have entered by default 6 times 0. Now I have entered to the interface. Shockwave therapy. You can see hip, ED, shoulder, elbow, waist, fat, hand, wrist, pubic, knee, foot. So there are 10 protocols you can see, from which 8 protocols are physiotherapy one, like shoulder, elbow, waist, hand, wrist, pubic, knee, and foot ankle. And one is for the ED, erectile dysfunction, you can see, and one for the fat accumulation. So this device has protocols for physiotherapy, 8 protocols for physiotherapy, one for ED, erectile dysfunction, and one for the fat accumulation, slimming. So now I will show you the, like if I select the hip section over here, now you can see that interface. And before that interface, first I tell you what is recommendation. So if you select the hip, you are getting the recommendation. You are getting the recommendation 5 bar as an energy. So here it is the recommendation that you should use. If you are using the same on hip area, then you should use 5 bar intensity, and number of shots 2000, treatment course 5, energy 4, frequency 4 hertz. So the recommended or suggested one is 4 hertz, and interval 5 to 7 days. So this is the recommendation, but according to the patient condition, doctor analysis and doctor investigation and patient physical structure, everything, by case study, doctor can vary the parameter accordingly. And varying the parameter, you have the option. You have the option for frequency. You have the option for frequency 1 hertz to 21 hertz. So in the other models in the market, it is 16 hertz, up to 16 hertz like this, but our model is having 1 to 21. So recommended over here is 4 hertz, but you can go 6, you can go 8 as per the doctor analysis. And energy bar, here you have 0.5. 0.5 is the minimum and 10 bar is the maximum. While other models in the market is having 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2 in the multiple of 0.5. But here in our model, in this premium model, I want